Birds are one of the most amazing creatures on Earth. They can fly and soar through the sky. And their songs are beautiful and inspiring. Having a bird as a pet is a great way to experience nature up close and to enjoy the beauty and inspiration of these amazing animals. Having friends around you is one of the best ways to feel connected and supported. They can make you laugh until you cry. They can be there for you when you need them. And they are always happy to see you. Their support and friendship is a constant reminder that you are loved and appreciated. Having friends in your life is a true blessing. And it is an inspiration to be around them. If you're looking for an inspiring treat, mint chocolate chip ice cream is definitely the way to go. It's always sure to put a smile on your face. And it's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So next time you're feeling down, or you just want something delicious and fun to enjoy, give mint chocolate chip ice cream a try. You won't regret it.